The Bioforce Revolution from Hozelock. Do you have green unhealthy water? Is cleaning your filter a chore? Tired of getting your hands dirty? Hozelock has the solution, the Bioforce Revolution. A pressurized pond filter without clogging or flow loss for guaranteed clear and healthy water. Quick and easy to use. Simply turn the handle to clean. The Bioforce Revolution will save you time. Cleaning your filter will be efficient and mess-free. Clear and healthy water guaranteed. Discreet and unobtrusive. It can be hidden at the side of a pond or buried in the ground, and used to create relaxing waterfalls. So how does it work? Bioforce Revolution combines the unique Easy Clean system with a 3-step filter process. Dirty water is pumped into the high-power UV clarifier, which eliminates green water. Water is then filtered through the KALDNES BIOMEDIA, which accommodates beneficial bacteria to ensure healthy water. CYPRICUBE foams with increased surface area remove waste and facilitate the Bioforce Revolution Easy Clean system. A revolution in pond filter cleaning that will save you time. No more dirty hands, simply turn the handle to clean. With the flick of a switch, dirty water is flushed out of the filter into your garden. Turn the handle until the water runs clear. Switch back the diverter to complete the cleaning. For the complete pond filter system, use with AQUAFORCE, the trouble-free and efficient filter and waterfall pump. Have peace of mind with the Hozelock 2-year guarantee. Transform your pond maintenance today with the Bioforce Revolution.